Hi, so here we are at part three, and what we're going to do in this one is we're actually going to move off of headings for a little bit. We're going to talk about the paragraphs here. So what I'm going to do, just to clean up my page a little bit, is I'm going to get rid of all the headings but heading one, and I'll actually redo the title here that says, "This is my heading," and save, and there we go. Now we're back to a cleaner paragraph. I just did that to clean that up a little bit for argument's sake, but what I want to look at now is take a look over here. Under this is a paragraph. And I'm going to add a line of text. So I'm going to hit return, tab in a couple of times, and then say this is another line of text. And then this is a third line of text. So pretty much straightforward. I save it. I go in here, and what I'm going to expect to see is I'm going to expect to see 3 lines, maybe even this little tab here. I go over here, and wait a second. It all came in on one line. And that's because line breaks are ignored in the browser. You know what else is ignored? Spaces. I'll put in a bunch of spaces between line and of. I'll put in a bunch of spaces here. Return this, blah, blah. Put in extra line breaks that don't even exist. Hit save. I get over to here, and it is exactly the same. There is no disconnection here that is doing exactly what it is supposed to do. There's a couple of different ways that I can get this done. The easiest thing to do is to go in there and to take an additional line of text and tell it to break it with a P tag. So if I hit it with a P tag, so I'm going to go to P and I'm going to close this off. P, so this line has its own, and then this is another line of text. I'm going to give that its own P tag. Line of text. And close that off. And over here, just for neatness sake, I will take out these extra, I'm going to leave it as it is. You'll see that the P wrapped. I'm going to save it. And I actually broke the different lines of text because with each one of these P slashes, it actually breaks my line of text. So that is something else I can do. Now, another option that a lot of folks will use if they just want to put in a break in the line is put this in, and then I'm going to start writing. I'll move in for neatness. This is a line break. Line breaks, put breaks in the paragraphs also. So I'll put that in, and I'll close it off, and I'll put my P tag, or my break tag here. So there's my break tag. So I'll type in my break tag. This is a line break, line breaks, but breaks in the paragraphs also. Now look what happens. A line break breaks the line, but doesn't double space it. Paragraph tag double spaces it. So when you want to actually break the paragraph for a user, you want to use the P tag, and you want to close the P tag. If you close the P tag, and for neatness sake, I'll make it all lowercase, the close P tag right here will actually make the paragraph break for you. The line break, the BR tag, will break the line, but it won't double space it. It'll single space it. Because what happens is when you've got long paragraphs inside of a browser, long paragraphs will go through lots and lots of text and will wrap with the browser. What do I mean by that? Well, I'll put in, this is a long block of text. I don't have much to say, but here it goes. I'm saying something anyway. I should probably run for office since I can talk for so long without saying anything in particular. And then I'm going to go in and close this and save it and add this to my web page. And look what happens. This is a long block of text. I don't have much to say, but here it goes, blah, 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 for so, and then long gets wrapped over here. when you have a block of text, the block of text will get wrapped according to the browser itself. When I've got it at a full width, you'll see that it actually doesn't need a break. Once I start breaking it, it breaks according to the web page. And that is how all of your text breaks according to the way you put it in. Use p tags to double space it. To single space the break, you're going to use the BR tag. Otherwise, that's pretty much basic formatting. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.